2026 and are you still generating blogs manually? Then it's time for an upgrade. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can post blogs using OpenAI for free, and this will be a step-by-step guide. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free, so you can generate these blogs, up to 100 of blogs for free, just by clicking on this button, because you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And if you want a 6% off on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is going to get you the highest amount of discount. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. I am just going to select my trigger application as schedule over here. For the event selected as schedule workflow, and click on this connect. I want that every day at 12 p.m. a new blog title should be generated using OpenAI, content should be generated, and the blog should be drafted on this Google Blogger. Okay, for that I'm just going to select how often do you want to run your workflows every day, and then for the time I am just going to select it as 12 p.m. because I want that every day at 12 p.m. this workflow should run and it should automatically generate me all these details. Okay, so now let's just click on the save button, and as you can see, we have successfully scheduled this workflow. Now using OpenAI, we're just going to get the blog title. For that, click on this add new action step and then search for OpenAI and select OpenAI right over here. You have to make sure that you search for OpenAI and you select this application right over here, which is OpenAI, ChatGPT, DALL-E and Whisper. Now for the event, you have to search for ChatGPT and select ChatGPT and click on this connect. Click on this add a new connection. To get this token, click on this OpenAI API key page. Once you open this page, click on this create new secret key button, name your key, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be ready, so just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the key, click on this save and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I am just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking for the AI model, so I am just going to select it as GPT-5. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the prompt, so I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow. This is the prompt using which I am just going to generate the title, so I'm just going to paste the prompt and click on the save and send test request button. If you want this prompt, just comment prompt of title and I'll share you the same. And as you can see, once we're going to click on the save and send test request button, the title is generated in this response. And yes, over here I've mentioned this prompt according to my own needs and the blog details. If you want this according to yours, then what you can do is you can simply copy this prompt and go give it to any AI tool and ask it to generate it for your own specific needs. Like this, we have the title. Now let's generate the content too. For that, just left click on this OpenAI and click on this clone step. Open this, and now only the prompt will change, rest the details will remain same. So we're just going to enter the prompt in order to generate the content. So let me just copy it from my previous workflow. And if you want this prompt, what you have to do, you just have to comment prompt content and I'll just share you the same. And now over here in this prompt, I'm just going to enter the blog title also, so that it can generate the content according to the same blog title. Every day it is going to generate a unique blog title, so every day the blog title is going to change, and using that blog title we want to change the content too. Okay, so now for the blog title, we're not going to enter it manually like the rest of the prompt, because the rest of the prompt will remain as it is, only the title will change. So we're going to map the titles. You must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then simply open the response of OpenAI and map the title. Then move on further, click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to receive the blog content within few seconds. As you can see that you just have to wait for few seconds and you will receive the blog content in the response right over here. And yes, you can see that we have successfully received the positive response right over here. In this response, response, we have also received the blog content. I'll just show you. And as you can see that we have received the response, and in this response we have received this blog content. Now let me just post it on my Google Blogger. For that, just close it and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Blogger and select the same right over here. For the event, select it as create a post and click on this connect. Now click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this continue and allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Once you give Pabbly all the permissions, your Google Blogger account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I will just show you how. I've selected my Gmail account, clicked on this continue button. Now my Google Blogger is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we just have to select the blog ID right over here, which is Pabbly for me. For the title, I'm just going to put a slash, map the title which OpenAI generated. For the content, I'm just going to put a slash, map the content which OpenAI generated over here. Now for the status, I want to keep these as draft right over here, because I want to draft all the blogs. I can't fully trust this AI. I want that the blog should be drafted, then I can review the blogs and then publish it myself. If you want, you can definitely directly publish it right from here. You can also schedule the blogs. It is saying is draft, so yes it is, so I'm just going to keep it as yes. It is saying date published, so if you want to schedule this blog, then you have to enter these details. It is asking for many other details. If you want, you can definitely enter it and then click on this save and send test request button. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request button, we have received the positive response that we have successfully drafted this blog. So let me just open my Google Blogger and go back, and as you can see, yes, the new blog is drafted right over here. For that, you just have to refresh this page, and yes, this is the same blog which we generated right now. Like this, every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run using OpenAI, which is going to generate the blog title, blog content, and draft the blog on our Google Blogger. So right now you don't have to generate blogs manually. You can just edit these blogs and publish it directly from here. Go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. For your reference, the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.